Hi, welcome to Priya Maths. Today we are going to discuss the number systems in the part of irrational numbers. Already I have finished 1.1 exercise. Next we are going to discuss in the textbook irrational numbers. This is the irrational numbers examples. This one root 2, root 3, root 5, root 15, pi, 0.1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, so on. These are called the irrational numbers. Now I explain in the textbook what is the irrational numbers. Look here. This is the in textbook. This is the textbook page number 5. Exercise 1.1 is over. Now we are going to explain the irrational numbers. We saw in the previous section that the three may be numbers on the number line that are not irrational. In this section we are going to investigate these numbers. So for all the numbers we have come across are the form of p by q, where p by q integers and q is not equal to 0. So you may ask, are the three numbers which are not this form? There are indeed such numbers. So look at this figure. He is the Pythagoras. You know Pythagoras, already in 8th class we learned Pythagoras. The Pythagoras in a Greece follows of the famous mathematician and philosopher. Pythagoras were in the first to discover the number which were not rational around the 400 BC. These numbers are called the irrational numbers because they cannot be written in the form of a ratio integer. There are many surrounding the discovery of the irrational number by the Pythagoras. Hipparchus of Croton, in all the Hipparchus has an unfortunate end. Either for the discovered root 2 is irrational number. For discussing the secret about root 2, they reply, root 2 people outside secret Pythagoras sect. Let us formally define these numbers. A number S is called the irrational if cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So irrational numbers introduced the Pythagoras. What is the irrational number? What is the definition of the irrational numbers? I explain. And you already know the three are infinitely many rational. It turns that three or infinitely many irrational numbers. So examples are already I showed in the board, on the board, and again in the textbook root 2, root 3, pi, so on. These are called the irrational numbers. So these two figures are mathematician Dedekind and Cantor. Those people are very important mathematicians. See this one and read properly your. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Look into the board. Irrational numbers I explained today in the textbook. Please share with your friends. Thank you once again. Please write notes also.